In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Uber Eats cycling account in the UK. So first you want to Google search for Uber Eats cycling here. You can use your phone as well. And we just want to open up the first website that pops up. Here we will either click on sign up to deliver, or if we already have an account, we can log in, but I'm going to click on sign up to deliver. So it's going to ask you for your phone number and all of the other information, so like password, so on and so forth. You create a username, fairly straight process, but here's the important part: earn with Uber. Decide when, where and how you want to earn. Here we'll type our address in the UK, so I'll do London as an example, so London, UK, and click on next. Now once we have selected this, choose how you want to earn with Uber. Now here we will choose deliver with Uber Eats by bicycle. You need to be at least 18. So alright, we've done this and we can click on continue. Now once you have filled out all the information, here's what we have to do. We will have to go through a background check application. So here you can read some more information. We will need to have a valid passport or valid EU national ID card, a bank statement dated within the last 3 months. Here we don't want to read this. And to get started, to expedite your process, you can instruct Uber to transfer the following data you have provided from Uber directly to Sterling on your behalf. So we will need to provide our email, given name, family name, middle name, DOB, date of birth, bank statement, and ID and right to work. So if we agree with all of this information here, we'll click on I agree and acknowledge. I accept, continue. And here are the steps. So what we want to do, so to deliver partner on our process, recommended next step, if we click on this, once all your documents are approved by Uber, you receive a link via email to start your background check with our partner Sterling. So here the background check process, we can either choose I prefer to skip the courses, or I would like to know more. For this we're just going to skip the courses, but I suggest doing it. Okay, so the next step is the identification documents. If we click here, we need to provide a list of our driving license or ID. So ID should work just fine because we're going to be cycling. Then we'll need to set a profile photo here, like so. And the next steps will be giving them the bank statement issued within the last 3 months. Appropriate equipment for food transportation, so we got to verify that we have a bag, and yeah, as you can see here, we got to provide a bag. And then we will we can also learn more about the background check application. And once you have completed all of these steps, then this is going to create your Uber Eats account in the UK. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.